Did you know there is a village on Earth which is deprived of sunlight for about 3 months each year? So today, we're diving into the unique story of Viganella, a picturesque village nestled in the heart of Italy. While Viganella is known for its stunning landscapes and rich history, it has faced its fair share of challenges. In this video, we'll explore the problems this village has encountered and the innovative solutions that have been implemented to overcome them. Let's get started. For those who may not be familiar, Viganella is a small village in the Piedmont region of Italy. Its charm lies in its historic architecture, scenic beauty, and close-knit community. However, like many communities, Viganella has confronted various issues that have shaped its journey. One of the significant challenges faced by Viganella was its unique geographical location. Tucked between mountains, the village experiences a period of darkness during the winter months when sunlight is blocked by the surrounding peaks. This posed a serious issue for the residents, affecting their daily lives and economic activities. To combat this issue, Viganella implemented an ingenious solution, which they call it Mirror of the Sun. This large computer-controlled mirror was installed on a nearby mountainside to reflect sunlight into the village square. This innovative approach literally brought light into the lives of Viganella's residents during the dark winter months. Another challenge Viganella faced was economic stagnation, a common issue in many small villages. The younger population was leaving in search of better opportunities, leading to a declining local economy. This prompted the community to explore creative ways to revitalize their village. To address the economic decline, Viganella turned to its rich cultural heritage. The village started promoting itself as a unique tourist destination, highlighting its historical sites, local traditions, and the fascinating Mirror of the Sun. This shift not only attracted visitors but also brought attention to the importance of preserving the village's cultural identity. In conclusion, Viganella serves as an inspiring example of a community overcoming challenges through innovation and resilience. The Mirror of the Sun not only brightened the physical space of the village but also symbolizes the spirit of Viganella, a community that refused to be overshadowed by its problems.